Hi guys, Paul
and Ryan.
We're back. It is the first of the month, which means dart throw of destination, October style. Alright, so in the haunted woods of Pennsylvania, we will be adventuring through this October season. So we were, first one, here's our second one down in Boalsburg. We hit Rothrock State Park, Greenwood Furnace State Park, Bald Eagle State Forest Camp there. We knocked some of those off the list up here. And now, we are going to do it.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Come on.
Okay, throw it.
You first.
Alright. Walk, 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 walk.
Uh-oh. Okay, go ahead. I'll let you know if the camera's in your way.
Alright. Just chuck
Okay,
it.
good. Yeah, go for it.
Oh, what's that? What do we got going on?
I don't know. Watch your face.
Alright, your turn, your turn. Oh, okay, so it's like cornhole.
Hang on.
Get excited. You want to see where you're at here.
My damn eyes.
I got the coin.
Alright, I'm out of the way of the camera.
Yeah.
Alright, here goes.
Oh. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
okay. Alright,
How do we do
close.
that?
Alright, heads, tails. You calling what?
Okay, alright.
Well, you want heads?
Do we want to know what the options are before we...
No.
No? Okay. I'll call... I've never won one of these
Watch
yet.
fan.
I don't believe so. I'll call heads.
It is
Heads. Oh, okay.
You're green.
Yeah.
We are.
Okay.
Ooh, you're right on something. I can't read it.
Let's check it out. Okay.
Elmo?
Elmo!
For real? That's what that says?
Okay, so here we're in Elmo. We're in your Shippensville and Clarion area. So that's where we are, the Shippensville, Clarion area. There's Elmo right there. And then that means above us would be Franklin, Oil City right here.
All of the green things
Yep.
maybe are the parks we could hit.
Some parks here, yeah. So we got to check this area out. The other area, which was pretty close, was going
the
to
loser.
be
Centertown?
Centertown, yeah, Centertown. And then that's near Stoneboro. So when you're getting closer to the 97 exchange there near the
Okay, Elmo it is.
So here we are. Where we are.
Up the hole in red, on red line.
All right, here.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. All right, so we'll put the dart in there so we don't forget.
Pin.
The pin, yep, so we don't forget.
Elmo.
Elmo. So.
Clarion County.
Yeah, Clarion County, Clarion,
Okay.
Pennsylvania. How about we just?
On the red line. You can't see the hole?
We'll just throw it right here.
Put it, okay.
All right.
Word.
Word.
October destination.
October destination.
We're going to Elmo.
All right, let's do this. Well, it's been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Boom.